everybody. Today is Brian here, 5:25 Eastern Standard Time, June 6, 2022. 2022 is the important one here. So what I've done is, I just wanted to let you know, I put up an article or post on my quantlabs.net/blog here called CPP or C++ CPP for graphic programming. So in here there was a question on Reddit, and this is one day ago. So the question basically, if they should, what frameworks, libraries should they pursue for graphical programming, depending upon the use case. Most people said either DirectX or OpenGL. I find that's pretty low on the totem pole, very low level programming for charting. So what I did was I went through over the last, dare I say, 10 years, these article or these YouTube videos I posted over the last, as I said, maybe 5-10 years, whatever it was, using this finance trading charts that are part of the Chart Director. It's an excellent charting system, and it includes interfaces and that sort of thing, and it's commercial. And let me see if I can get the directory here. I think it's called ChartDIR. So this is one of the ones that are specifically built for let's see, products. Yeah, so these are all the different types of trading or different types of charting. It's really good, excellent support as well, really cheap and affordable. And as you can see here, you get the interface, as well as you can do live trading with these charts as well. They have support for Python, C++, because it's what it's written in, Java, Python, so as I said, .NET, Perl, and maybe a few other ones. But anyways, that's one of the ones I would definitely consider to build out a particular trading, let's call it a front end for whatever purpose, but maybe a trading system or something, I don't know. The other thing is, I like open source. So this one would be a complete open source, specifically for Linux. You can run all this stuff on Windows, and I believe on Mac as well. Well, let me just pull up the title here. These are the
do you want to grow your YouTube channel? Do you want?
Okay, so we have WX Widgets, which is a true open source answer to Qt. CodeLight, which is an IDE that nobody bothers with, and that would be part of using a chargeable library called WX Crafter, which is a rapid application designer. You can just watch this video and see what I'm saying, the demo of it. But you can see here, this was posted, let's see here when it was posted. It's going to be quite a while ago. So yeah, I can't see any of the dates here. That's okay. And then there's the other one. So that's the open source libraries that you could use. A lot of people don't know them. Is it worthwhile to pursue those in an open source world, and specifically in 2022? Because this is pretty old technology. It's not sexy looking. And the other question is, would you deploy on something like this Nomad BSD, which is lives off a USB, and it's a BSD, but it's really good. It's like a Linux-like BSD with all the popular Linux applications, but you obviously, on top of that, put your own application on top of it. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm very interested to hear from people what graphical user libraries you go use. I know Qt is out there as the most popular probably, but I'm just very interested to know any other options that you might use outside of OpenGL. What I find the problem with Qt is that it really restricts you on the licensing, and it really restricts you on what kind of C++ libraries you can include as well. So I'm kind of leery on that. And these are for desktop applications as well. So these are not web front applications. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you like this, just go over to quantlabs.net/banking, fill out all your info, and get this 2-hour video to help protect your wealth or grow it by watching the same video. Thanks. Talk to you later.